Here are 10 interesting facts about peppers. 1. Peppers are fruits, not vegetables. Like tomatoes, peppers are botanically classified as fruits because they develop from a flower and contain seeds. However, they are commonly used as vegetables in cooking. 2. Capsaicin is what makes peppers spicy. The compound capsaicin is responsible for the heat in chili peppers. It binds to pain receptors in your mouth, creating a burning sensation. Sweet bell peppers, however, contain no capsaicin. 3. The Scoville scale measures heat levels. The heat of chili peppers is measured in Scoville Heat Units. Bell peppers have 0 SHU, while the Carolina Reaper, one of the world's hottest peppers, can exceed 2.2 million SHU. 4. Peppers come in many colors. Peppers can be green, yellow, orange, red, purple, brown, or even nearly black, depending on their variety and ripeness. Many green peppers turn red as they mature. 5. Black pepper and chili peppers are unrelated. Despite both being called pepper, black pepper Piper nigrum comes from dried peppercorns, while chili peppers and bell peppers belong to the Capsicum genus. 6. Peppers were first domesticated in the Americas, native to Central and South America. Peppers were cultivated over 6,000 years ago by ancient civilizations like the Aztecs and Mayans before being spread worldwide by explorers. 7. Some peppers are perennial. While often grown as annuals in cooler climates, many pepper plants, especially hot varieties, can survive multiple years in warm climates or indoors. 8. Eating spicy peppers releases endorphins. Your body reacts to the heat of spicy peppers as if it's in pain, triggering the release of endorphins, natural painkillers, which can create a sense of euphoria. 9. Green bell peppers are just unripe peppers. Most green bell peppers will turn red, orange, or yellow if left to ripen, developing a sweeter flavor. However, some varieties stay green even when fully mature. 10. The largest pepper ever grown weighed over 1 pound. The world record for the heaviest bell pepper is 1.75 pounds 794 grams, grown in 2018. Do you have a favorite pepper? Comment below.